describe the characters that you play in the film. So we'll start you.
Well, I play El Chupacabra, and he is a fighter, a lover, a man of the world, who's in love with one plane, Rochelle, and he's Dusty's best friend during the race. At home, he has his friends on the ground, but when he's in the sky, he needs the help of El Chupacabra, and I need his help for Amor. And this guy, boy, this guy.
I'm up to no good. I play the evil henchman of Ripslinger, the main bad character in the film. I'm the sidekicks. I'm the the guys that does everything, that do everything for him. Sorry, does. I'm talking into.
We're going back and forth in Spanish today.
I play Ned and Zed. One of the voices is myself, the way that I speak, but it's kind of the sinister, evil, I miss breakfast personality. And the other one is just this clueless out there. You lead them by the hand. So if you're like, hey man, the sky's blue. The sky's blue, bro. The sky's red. It's red. He is whatever you tell him to be.
And what's it like playing two different characters?
It's nice. I wish it was two different checks, but it's one. It was one. It was really cool because it wasn't just the two voices, the two characters. Carlos and I both got to do several different voices in the film that aren't necessarily established characters.
That's right.
Whether it's like, I introduce Ripslinger at the beginning of the movie, so when Ripslinger's flying in, I'm the one that says, when he's, spinning, he's winning. When he's, that's my voice, and Carlos got to do a couple other
I got to do
film
Fonzarelli. Hey kid, you were really good out there. I mean it. Hey, little New York. I go from El Chupacabra to New York. We go all, that's what we do. We do characters. You need characters? How many characters you need?
We go from Santa Monica.
Characters are us. That's right, man. What's up?
Everywhere.
Santa Monica, Rock on Plains, August
Whatever you
9th.
need.
So, which bit of the film made you laugh the most?
Well, of course, all of my scenes. Actually, truly.
Mine are good too, bro.
Ned and Zed, man, when they're flying through India, he's like, what do we do, Ripslinger? My favorite scene for L2 was when they're gathering all the parts for Dusty, who Dusty needs new parts. And he goes, that's for this, that's for that. And I go, that's my lunch, don't touch that. I really like that. That made me laugh.